car.
New car for Ronnie.
We got you. You ready?
Kayaks, yay!
Hey.
Oh my God, cool.
Even
I
orange
love
ones.
those.
That's what you wanted.
Wow.
All right, Mom.
Cool. Thanks
Okay.
for the kayaks.
Really? Can you tell what it is yet?
No.
I did a great wrapping job, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a table.
You actually did do a great wrapping job.
Open it up,
Be a
Mom. It's all
table.
yours.
Go see.
Go for it.
Okay. Go, 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 go.
What's it say? What's it say, Mom?
Who?
What's it say?
It says to Ashley and Hans from Santa.
What? Is there something wrong? Has there been a mistake?
It's yours, Mom.
Let's see. No, it really does. Well, that's weird. It really does.
What? It's Mom's. You tricked me. Really?
Shut up.
So I just want you to know, Ashley picked it out, assembled it, wrapped it with this nice wrapping job, and hauled it over here on Christmas morning.
All for herself.
Merry Christmas, Ashley and Hans.
Well, good thing I like it.
That's why you got to pick it out.
Awesome.
You said you wanted one.
I did want one.
Yay!
You really made me assemble my own gift.
Say thanks, Uncle Pete, for teaching me the best.
I almost like wrapped this thing.
That was the goal with the two rolls.
That is a pretty nice one. I like that more than mine.
Hans, did you help with the wrapping?
Yeah.
You had to-
This morning I did. I was like, they didn't give us enough paper.
Yep. Merry Christmas.
Hey, I had to haul it all the way back home.